Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Caitlin Sisney with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Wednesday, April 9th, 2008. Thanks to the decision by former president of Refco, Tone Grant, to stand trial rather than plead guilty, the world is getting a peek at the scheming that led to the eventual downfall of the firm, Hedge Fund Daily reports. Testifying against Grant was former president of Refco Capital Markets, Santo Maggio, who pleaded guilty in December. Maggio at trial explained how the company was always behind in cash after losses in the late 1990s and how they decided which clients would take the hit. Maggio said there was a list of excuses for people at the back office, such as the bank screwing up or computers going out. Staying with hedge fund news, the global private equity market is staring at zero growth over the next 12 months and not much more than that in the next 2 years, according to a McKinney Rogers report. Its survey of senior business executives found that 70% of those polled acknowledge the benefit of PE investments but see a stagnating sector, reports Hedge Fund Daily. 7 out of 10 respondents cited the credit crisis as a major cause, while 68% pointed to economic uncertainty. Survey takers in Africa and Asia Pacific view these factors as less of a driving force behind the slowdown in PE than their peers in the U.S. and Europe, said the firm. Close to 80% of respondents said the lack of available cash was having the biggest impact on companies wanting to use their PE to fund their business. And in other hedge fund news, 2/3 of intermediaries from corporate finance firms in the UK say the mid-market is the most likely private equity sector to succeed in the current market environment, according to August Equity. The research conducted for the PE firm by Remark also found respondents saying healthcare would be the best performing sector, followed by energy, mining, and utilities. According to Financial News, the survey was released on the same day on which more than 10 European mid-market PE deals were announced, with most of them in the UK. And in hedge fund news in Asia, venture capital and private equity clean technology investments more than doubled last year, rising 107% to $290 million, according to the Cleantech Group. Its research found that of the 28 transactions completed between 2006 and 2007, the top destinations by category were energy generation and water, followed by agricultural and materials, according to Hedge Fund Daily. In comparison, Cleantech VC investment in Europe climbed 20%, reaching a single-year record of $1.53 billion in 127 transactions, with Western Europe receiving 61% of the cleantech investment on the continent and the UK accounting for 36% of the total invested. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click on our hedge funds channel online and read the latest developments.